So now I'm through the security check. It was very smooth, must I say. So now we have Stockholm duty free. I wonder if this is a new shop or old. Because they rebuild something here in Arlanda Airport. Yeah, let's take a walk. The kitchen. What they sell there? They sell Andersson. Swedish aquavit, 1 liter. But I don't see any price. Yeah, there it is. 289 crown for that. Not the cheapest. And here you can buy black, Johnny Walker Black. 390. Before it was 519 per se. Wow. It's not so cheap here. Wow. And here you have the Swedish brand Absolut. Passion fruit. Yeah. Of course they play music here. I don't know how much it's going to interfere with the video. Let's see that. I was thinking about going to the lounge also. Let's see if I find it. Yeah, they make it much bigger here. This duty free. Still building. Oh, but we find more. Candy. But who's gonna buy candy? Yeah, maybe you want to give it as a gift. Licorice candy. In Asia they don't like licorice much, must say. And here you have this called snus. And snus is 10 boxes, 429. Oh, you pay yourself here. Card payment. Many cashier, you pay yourself, you scan it, you put your boarding card, and when you've done that, you pay with your card. They also have a eye doctor here. And now we come to the shop area. Oh, here you have a big one. A dalahäst. Dalahäst is little typical Swedish thing. And here you have one very big. Of course not for sale, but it's big. Wow. They also have soft dollar bears. And mobile accessories also. Headsets, headphone. Eatery. Yeah, it was not like this last time I fly out from here. And that's almost a year ago. No, it's not. It's half a year ago. Yeah, well, a year ago I fly out. Fly in, you don't see this. When you land, you go other way. Here also they sell food. Not bad. You can buy a sandwich here, for example. Cost 47 Swedish crown for a sandwich. Hot dog also. And a coffee. 49 for 2 muffins. And here you have in front of me, I see Thai Airways. Here they still renovate. Maybe you have to wait one more year before it's going to be finished here, the whole new Arlanda Airport. But it looks much better, must I say. Forex exchange company. Departures. I just checked my flight.
Sa du Luleå? Jag ser.
And here you have Thai Airways flight to Bangkok. 3 p.m. they leave. And they start loading that plane. Yeah, no rain now. Wet on the track, that's all. I wonder about lounge. It's hard to know. No one to ask. Maybe it's another test check-in here. Yeah, they have another passport control when you go outside Schengen area. And Thai Airways.